Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are testing out the new Sunday Picnic collection from Sheglam. I got the entire collection sent over to me. The moment that I eyed this on Trend Mood, I knew that I wanted to do a full dedicated collection because it is so beautiful. We have three Cheeky Color Jam blushes that we are going to be testing out. We also have three lip oils that obviously we're also going to be testing out. We have one eyeshadow palette, which is this one right here. Super beautiful. Quick little sneak peek on what it looks like on the inside. And then we have a little setting spray, which is very interesting, and I have some thoughts on it. So with that said, I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as give me a thumbs up. With that said, grab your cafecito, get cozy, get comfy, and let's start with today's review on the Sheglam Sunday Picnic collection. I'm going to start off with their lip oil set. So it comes with three for $10.99, and this says now you can have your cake and wear it too with our cake scented lip oil set. So it's a trio of your favorite flavors: chocolate, cherry, and rainbow cake cherry on top. It's 100% guilt free. We're gonna go ahead and pop one of these on. Honestly, like, I'm not going to swatch them because they're lip oils, but I am going to smell them. So this one is called chocolate cake. Honestly, I'm not really getting the chocolate scent, but let's move on to cherry cake. The packaging, super duper adorable. This one definitely smells like cherry, so I'm gonna use this one because it's my favorite. I love anything cherry scented. The doe food applicator is just like the Dior and the Milani ones. And then the last one is actually really pretty. This one is called Rainbow Cake, and it's a really pretty soft pink with sparkles. So let's apply a little bit on top. And this one as well is very lightly scented. So if you don't like a lot of scent on your lip oils, I think you're really gonna like this one. Next, we're gonna move on to the Sunday Picnic Color Jam. They have three shades. They have Scarlet Sunset, which is a beautiful deep berry. Rose Meadow, which is a little more berry. And then we have Afternoon Peach, which is probably my favorite. It's more of a deeper burnt peach. And each one of these retails for $3.99. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna try to mix them all, but we'll see if we can do that. I'm gonna start with the lightest in the set, which is again Afternoon Peach. And I'm gonna take it on a brush. That looks really pigmented. And I already have my foundation, concealer, and a cream bronzer. So after this, I am gonna go in and set. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I really like this color actually. I'm gonna grab the deepest out of them all, which is Scarlet Sunset, and then this one, it's really red. So I would take only a little bit and I'm gonna take it. Oh, that is so pretty. This collection, when I first saw it, I was actually really excited about it because I love the packaging. The packaging is definitely my favorite part. What do you guys think so far? I really like them. The formula is really interesting. It has that bouncy texture, almost like a gel cream, but the payoff is really nice. So I really see myself using these a lot. I'm really into cream blushes right now, and these have an amazing formula. If you love the Rare Beauty ones, these are definitely like a very close dupe to it. I don't know if they have these specific colors, but the ones that they have in the little pots are very similar in texture. So let's move on. I do have also a little setting spray here. It is called just the Sunday Picnic setting spray that is grape scented. It's supposed to be long wearing. It's a little bit strange and I'm a little nervous. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks thick. It looks like a jelly consistency. So I'm going to apply to my skin now before I go in with the eyeshadows. Look at how thick that sounds. Like, even moving it around, it looks very thick. So, oh my gosh, that is so weird. Do you guys see that? It's like the fine, it has such a fine mist, but it's weird. Right, let's go ahead and spray this. I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of this alpaca little primer from Maven Beauty. I can never remember how you say it right. So what you guys been up to? All my moms out there, are you guys ready to have your kids all summer? Yay, the fun begins, right? We are getting ready for our trip. My mom gets here. I'm filming this on Tuesday, May 24th. I don't know when this video will be up, but she will get here on Wednesday, tomorrow, May 25th. We just celebrated my husband's birthday yesterday, but we're gonna celebrate it again once my entire family gets here. And then I will be gone for about a week. I'm so looking forward to it. I feel like I really need a break. Just kind of like exhausted from filming so much, you know? So I want to create something a little bit soft, nothing too crazy, just because of like the vibe that I have going on. So I'm going to take the shade Dawn, which is a really nice beige, I guess, beige. I still can't really say SHs without sounding weird. Today I have my 5th tray in. So I'm going to take this on the crease. It's definitely very light. I have high expectations for this palette because all of the Sheglam palettes that I've ever tried are always top notch. I know a lot of people feel a certain way about Sheglam, and that's okay. You're totally entitled to your opinion. But I personally really like the brand. So it's very light. It's very similar to my skin tone. So it's not really showing up on me. And I applied a pretty light base. I do want to go in with Tea Cake, which is a really nice, like a mauve color. And it has the cutest print of a cherry. Fun fact, I think like fruit wise, cherries are like my favorite when it comes to like aesthetic. It's such a cute like picture in general, if that makes sense. I am going to be vlogging the entire trip, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to Texas. We have a few things planned, just kind of like a chill little getaway, you know, nothing too crazy, but I'm just looking forward to spending time with my family. I miss my youngest sister so much, and of course my mom. So family time is a great time. I'm gonna go in with RSVP, which is a beautiful metallic. It has the prettiest sparkle. I really want this to pop, so I am going to grab some glitter glue. I'm gonna tap this into the lid. Just kind of like messily applying it. And then I'm gonna go in with that color. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at how pretty. It's such an iridescent color. Get out of town. Oh, that is stunning, you guys. This is like, I don't know why I'm getting like wedding vibes from this eyeshadow. This is so pretty. Oh, I knew I was gonna love this color. I'm gonna take Dusk, which is probably the deepest shade out of the entire palette. And it does have the Sunday Picnic print on it, which again, super adorable. And I'm just going to create a very like dainty, soft little wing, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. I added a little bit of a brown lip liner to the lips, and then I added a little bit more of the chocolate cake lip oil onto the lips, just to kind of like make them look a little plump. And then added some lashes, and that is it. So what do you guys think of this Sunday Picnic collection from Sheglam? Are you eyeing anything? Honestly, I think this has to be my absolute favorite collection they've ever done. The eyeshadow is beautiful. If you are looking for something very soft, like every day, this is for you. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this one shadow. The lip oils are very shiny on the lips. They feel super hydrating. Little cheeky color jams are so gorgeous, you guys. I cannot get over how beautiful it looks on the cheeks, and just in general, this entire collection is beautiful. I will have to let you guys know if this actually held up my makeup, but I love how it smelled, and it's a very interesting formula. So those are my 2 cents. Let me know if you guys are going to pick up anything from this collection. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I love you all. Stay safe out there, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.